We commonly hear the phrase thrown around that things are made up of ones and zeros, but what does that really mean? Almost all of our technology works on ones and zeros. This is referred to the binary system. Think of turning things on or off. A bit is the smallest amount of information that can be stored in a computer. Most phones now at least contain 8 gigabytes of storage. 8 gigabytes of storage converts to 64 billion bits. That's a massive amount of information being able to be stored by a handheld item. This is how far we've come with only two options, ones and zeros. Now that we understand the classical bit, let's get into the quantum bit. A quantum bit provides the same function as a classical bit. It is the smallest unit of information for a quantum computer. However, unlike the classical bit that can only exist in a state of 0 or 1, the quantum bit can exist in an infinite amount of states. Once you make your measurement, it'll decide whether to land on the state 0 or 1. Now you're probably wondering, how is this possible? The first concept will be addressed in the next video, which is covering quantum mechanics for quantum computing. The second should give you a hint in understanding what is to come. In between the numbers 0 and 1, there are an infinite amount of numbers. Think about it. If I were to ask you to count from 0 all the way up until 1, but to include every single fraction in between, would you be able to do it? No, because I would technically be asking you to count all the way up into infinity. This idea alone should tell you how powerful quantum computing is. I hope you're ready for the journey that is to come, covered in the next video, talking about quantum mechanics.